What if you lost everything today? No money, no audience, no skills, and no connections. In 2026, making $10,000 a month online is no longer just for influencers or tech experts. AI tools, digital businesses, and smart online systems are changing the game faster than ever before. In this video, I'll show you the exact strategy I would use if I had to start completely from zero today. No fake gurus, no unrealistic promises, just practical methods that can realistically build income step by step in the new digital economy. In 2026, making money online is no longer just about luck, expensive equipment, or having millions of followers. The internet has completely changed. Artificial intelligence, short-form content, digital products, remote services, and automated businesses have opened doors for ordinary people to build real income streams from home. The biggest difference now is speed. Someone with zero money, zero experience, and no audience can still build an online income much faster than ever before if they focus on the right strategies. If I had to start from absolute zero in 2026 and my goal was to reach $10,000 per month online, I would not waste time chasing random trends or trying dozens of side hustles at once. I would focus on a few high-income digital skills and combine them with AI tools, social media traffic, and scalable online systems. The goal would not be quick money. The goal would be building predictable monthly income that grows over time. The first thing I would do is master AI-powered content creation. Content is the fuel of the internet. Every business, creator, brand, and entrepreneur needs videos, graphics, thumbnails, ads, scripts, and social media posts daily. Most people still do not know how to create high-quality content consistently, but AI tools now make this process much faster. I would spend the first few weeks learning how to create viral YouTube thumbnails, short videos, TikTok clips, Instagram reels, and faceless YouTube content using AI tools. Instead of becoming just another content creator, I would position myself as someone who helps businesses and creators grow online. I would then start offering services on freelancing platforms and social media. The biggest mistake beginners make is trying to build a business before learning how to make money from skills. Skills create cash flow. Cash flow creates freedom. I would offer thumbnail design, AI video editing, script writing, short-form video repurposing, and YouTube channel optimization services. At the beginning, I would not focus too much on making huge profits from one client. Instead, I would focus on volume and testimonials. If I charged just $300 per month for managing short-form clips and thumbnails for one creator, getting 10 clients would already generate $3,000 monthly. That alone would completely change the financial situation of most beginners. After building basic income, I would shift into personal branding. This is where most online income opportunities explode. In 2026, attention is currency. People trust people more than companies. I would create a faceless or personal brand around making money online, AI tools, productivity, or digital business growth. I would upload content daily on YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram Reels, and Facebook. The content would be simple. Quick tips, AI tutorials, online business ideas, automation hacks, and real income strategies. Next, I would build a digital product business. Digital products are powerful because they can be sold infinitely without inventory or shipping. By 2026, people are buying templates, AI prompts, editing packs, online guides, thumbnail packs, Notion templates, automation systems, and mini courses more than ever before. I would create beginner-friendly digital products based on the exact problems my audience faces. For example, if people struggle with YouTube growth, I could sell thumbnail templates, viral title packs, or AI content systems. Another major strategy I would use is faceless YouTube automation channels. In 2026, AI voice tools, video generators, and editing software make this business model easier than ever. I would create channels around finance, luxury lifestyles, AI news, motivation, travel, or business documentaries because these niches attract high CPM advertising rates. Long-form YouTube videos can generate money through ads, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and digital product sales simultaneously. I would not depend on one channel only. I would build multiple channels slowly like digital assets. One successful channel earning $3,000 monthly combined with affiliate commissions and product sales could become extremely powerful. The beauty of YouTube is that videos continue generating traffic long after upload. Old content becomes passive income. Networking would also become a huge part of the strategy. Many online opportunities come from collaborations and relationships. I would connect with creators, freelancers, agency owners, and online entrepreneurs daily through social media. In the digital world, one connection can completely change your business. A single large creator recommending your service can bring dozens of clients instantly. The biggest advantage in 2026 is artificial intelligence. People who learn how to use AI properly will move faster than everyone else. I would use AI for script writing, research, editing assistance, content ideas, automation, customer support, email writing, and marketing analysis. Instead of replacing human creativity, AI multiplies productivity. Someone using AI effectively can do the work of an entire team. However, I would avoid one dangerous mistake: consuming more content than creating. Most people stay stuck because they spend months watching motivational videos without taking action. The online economy rewards execution. Even imperfect action beats endless planning. I would focus on uploading, selling, learning, improving, and repeating daily. That combination already reaches the target while still leaving room for future growth. Over time, the goal would be reducing active work and increasing scalable income through automation, products, and audiences. The people who will dominate the online world in 2026 are not necessarily the smartest people. They are the people who adapt quickly, learn valuable digital skills, use AI tools efficiently, and stay consistent longer than everyone else. The opportunity is still massive because most people are distracted, inconsistent, or afraid to start. The biggest mistake most people make is waiting too long to start. The online world in 2026 is full of opportunities, but only for people willing to take action consistently. If you learned something valuable from this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss future videos about online income, AI business ideas, and financial freedom. Your first $10,000 month could start with the decision you make today.